Mastering household chores. Vacuum the house, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common and practical phrase you might hear in everyday English. Vacuum the house. Whether you're tidying up your living space or simply looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is key. So, let's get started. Vacuum the house refers to the act of cleaning the floors and carpets of a home using a vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner is an electrical appliance that sucks up dust, dirt, and small debris from floors and other surfaces. When someone says they need to vacuum the house, they mean they are going to make their living space clean and dirt-free using this tool. Vacuuming is not just about cleanliness. It's also about maintaining a healthy living environment. Regular vacuuming can reduce allergens like dust mites, pet dander, and pollen, making your home more comfortable and hygienic. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your living space is welcoming and clean. Choose the right vacuum cleaner. Not all vacuum cleaners are created equal. Some are better for carpets, while others are designed for hardwood floors or pet hair. Selecting the right one for your needs is crucial. Regular maintenance. Keep your vacuum cleaner in top shape by regularly emptying the canister or changing the bag, and cleaning or replacing the filters. Pattern matters. Vacuum in a pattern that covers the entire area. Don't just go over the visibly dirty parts. Dirt and dust can hide in plain sight. Vacuuming is a simple yet essential part of maintaining a clean and healthy home. Understanding what it means to vacuum the house is not just about learning a new phrase in English. It's about embracing a routine that enhances your living space. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and inspires you to keep your living space clean and inviting. Happy vacuuming, and see you in our next video.